Hello, hello, hello. Let's move some stuff around. Okie dokie. I'm just going to stream for a little bit because I am tired. So, to do whack-a-mole. Let's just pick one and deal with it. Mostly in the parser rather than semantic analysis. Where do I want to begin? What's that one? Collision layers. So left a question for myself. Is it weird that I don't have to check for unexpected code after the list? Is it weird? What a good to do. I've seen 2 videos in one day before. I never thought I'd see 2 streams in one day. Can you believe it? Wild, huh? How has it happened? Is it weird that I don't have to check for unexpected code after the list? So what am I doing here? So this is parsing. This is for collision layers. That's here. So basically, we're just parsing these, and we basically just pass identifiers separated by commas or white space. I need to figure out some way of making those reactions appear in the stream. That'd be good, wouldn't it? There's probably a way of doing that with stream elements. In fact, should we try it? Getting distracted. Stream elements. How do I log in to this thing? Oh, I am logged in. Okay. Dashboard. No, go away. Remind me later. Streaming tools? Yes. Overlays. Edit. Okay, what kind of things do I have that I can add? Show emotes from chat on your stream. Is that what I want? What does it mean by emotes from chat? Does it mean the reactions? Should we see? Somebody send a reaction. I'll send some. Is that doing anything? Not sure this is doing anything. Maybe if somebody types in here. Oh, sorry. Hey, Marcos. The smile was not at you. I was testing something. But also, I would happily smile at you, of course. Hold on, I'm just testing. What? Oh, it hasn't picked it up yet. Oh yeah, okay, that works. But that's not what I want. Whatever. Okay, go away. How do I get rid of that thing? Delete. Okay. I'm going to leave things as they are. Your development videos have been fun though, Marco. It's very concise and to the point, unlike what I'm doing right now, where I have opened a file and haven't thought about what I'm actually doing. I've been watching, not every single one, but I do occasionally put one on and see what you're up to. The game is looking fun. Okay, so what did I write here? I wrote, is it weird that I don't have to check for unexpected code after the list? Why? So, pass list with delimiter. So here I'm passing a list. This is the thing that passes the elements of the list, and this is the thing that passes delimiters. And the delimiter code is a little bit complicated here for a reason. Passing an item from the list is just saying pass identifier and then map each of those identifiers to, well, yeah, map that identifier to a layer member node. Yep, that makes sense to me. Then the second thing, it's funny that the syntax highlighting clearly breaks here, whatever. So the second thing is delimiter, and that is saying, you can kind of ignore this bit, it's saying just keep looping, trying to pass a white space, and then if the next character is a comma, it'll keep going, and it'll pass white space, and then if there's the next character is a comma, it'll keep going. If it's not a comma, yeah, a comma. If it is a comma, wait, if it's not a comma, then we break out this loop and we return just nothing. So that gets rid of the white space because the white space can contain commas, and it can contain like any number of commas. Font is small to read. Yeah, should I do this? Should I do it over here as well? Oh, how do I do it over here? Can I do this? I can do this. Is that better? Cool. There's some stuff here that can be cleaned up. So what's my question that I've left to do? Is it weird? Is it weird that I don't have to check for unexpected code after the list? What would unexpected code look like? I mean, if there's white space or anything, I guess there's like potential for like other symbols that wouldn't be identifiers. So yes, it is weird. Right. So I'm gonna guess if I do this and then run my, we might end up in a loop actually. I think we have ended up in a loop. Yeah, okay. That is what I expected. Now is that because in my pass list with delimiter function, yes, I've got a separate to-do here. This is an infinite loop. Okay. So I think these two things are connected. Now why? Okay, so how does this work? It's interesting that we pass the delimiter first. I suppose that's okay. Yeah, sure, why not? So pass delimiter. If we still got stuff to read, then if we still got stuff to read and we're not at the new, oh no, and yes, we're not at the new line, then attempt to pass an item. If we fail to pass an item, then break. If we succeed to pass an item, push the item into the vector of items, and then pass the limiter, and then keep looping. So then the issue is that if we hit, so in this case, we'll be passing like an identifier, white space, identifier, white space, identifier, white space, and then having a problem. Identifier, white space, and then it will go round to here. This will keep looping. Pass item. Shouldn't that fail? And we'll break out. Oh, I bet we are breaking out, actually. Okay, let's just find out if that's true. But I bet we are breaking out. I'm doing classic debugging by logging. Oh. How do I fix that? Is that... I didn't get that on my MacBook. Cargo run, blocking, waiting for lock and build. Is that just a file? It's like... Is it in Target? Oh, okay. It was just temporary. Okay, yeah, so we are breaking it out. So what's happening is we're breaking it out, and because we're not continuing to read the rest of the line, it's then attempting to do another attempt at passing a collision layer, getting here, and doing exactly the same thing, breaking out. Like, if you can imagine the cursor is like reading through this file like, as we're passing it. It's getting to here, aborting out of passing the collision layer, then trying to pass another collision layer. So I need to skip to the next line. So yes, it is a problem. So the answer to this question, is it weird that I don't have to check for the next code after the list? Yes, it is weird. I should have to. That is, so when you do cargo run, it will build and then run the program, and you do the dash to separate cargo's arguments from arguments I want to pass to my program. And so my program has a print AST. The one I'm writing has a print AST option, which causes it to print the AST that I'm passing. Because the reason I added that is because I actually have two things. Because I also implemented SFXer. That's just a little side thing that I did, which I can do with -- play sound. So then the seed number. So right now it's just a way for me to switch between my two different things that I've implemented in here. Eventually it'll all be like one thing, of course. It'll just play a game. But okay, so what's my usual way of like checking what's left after a line? I do have like a common pattern for that. I just need to copy it from somewhere, I think. Yeah, where's a good place to copy that from? Maybe from the preludes? Got some intense music. Probably from Celeste. Yeah, it's from Celeste. Yeah, okay, so I got this bit. I should probably figure out a way to shorten this a little bit, because I am repeating it a lot. So basically, yeah, okay, so what this does is it goes past any remaining white spaces on the line, which to be honest will already be gone because of the fact that we're passing white space after every... Wait, is that true? Because this is a bit too intense. Skip. Now we're at a monsters expedition. If we pass the item, then we do that, then we pass white space. So yeah, the white space will already be gone, but it's fine, we can do this. Basically, because what this will actually do is because it's trailing white space, it will pass all the way up to the new line and end up on the next line, which is usually what I want to do. If not, then I can like extract everything up to the next line as unexpected text, and then add it to my diagnostics as an error, unexpected code after I mean, the better thing to do here, yeah, like what I feel like would actually be better is to not necessarily pass because like there's a situation where, yeah, this is vanilla puzzle scripts, indeed. So I have a test file here, which is like full of silly things that are actually valid puzzle scripts. Well, I mean, there's also silly things in here that aren't valid puzzle script, like leaving like not enough lines in a thing. So this file's a mess, but it's a mess just because I'm testing things. But like, I guess what would be nice is if I typed that and then blah, is if it reported that as like, that's not a valid object name, but it still allowed blah through. That would be the nice thing to do. Can I be bothered to do the nice thing? I should do the nice thing. Which would mean, what would that mean? I don't want it to abort. That means making it so it's possible for my pass list thing. So when it's passing an item, because right now, if it fails to pass an item, it always breaks. Oh. Fuzzer, why does YouTube cover up messages? You could do a fuzzer later that throws nonsense to the parser. What does that mean? Is fuzzer a technical term? I guess if I want to do what I'm thinking of doing, I need to make it so that pass item can return none and it'll still keep going, but there are also situations where I don't want to do that. So no, what I actually want to do is have pass item return something. Yeah, okay, I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't want to change how that works. I just want to make it return something. So not pass identifier, pass word. Is that what they called it? I think I called it word. It's like basically anything that isn't white space. Password. And we're not going to map it to a layer map thing yet. Right, I see. Like a fuzz testing. Right. I can also do this. Self password. So that will be a list node. Right. Like I want to map the list node. But I don't have that ability. Do I make it happen now? Whereas list nodes here? I could add a map, which effectively returns a new list node with all of the things converted. And then the way that would work is I would then just add a thing here, map. I'll say word, maybe? What did I have here? Oops. That's okay. Right, it'll basically be that. Will those be spans? Password, what's a password return? Yeah, it does return a span. Okay. Sure. And then for every span, return this. But no, not for every single one. I basically want to do a... I actually want to do a reduce, and I don't know if I want to implement that. Well, either reduce or a filter and a... I mean, okay, I could do... What should I do? What should I do? Well, let me take that bit out. Layer member nodes, span. So right now this will return words basically, so that's not correct. I'm just trying to decide whether I do the the hacky way of doing this or not the hacky way. It's not a game jam thing, so probably shouldn't do things too hacky. I mean, yeah, okay, so okay, let's just do this. This will do for now. So then consume diagnostics. There won't be any diagnostics from this yet. Okay, and then what we'll do is we will, I guess, just loop over them. So what I'm gonna do, I could do, because like, so I've got this is a list node. Oh, that's interesting. Was I allocating, well, not allocating, but was I doing that for no reason, basically, seemingly? Actually, no, not for no reason. Okay, wait. Members, yeah, okay, so it was, okay. I mean, okay, yeah, I could do the simplest thing here. The simplest thing. Okay. For and then attempt to how am I pass identifiers system like this? No, I definitely don't want to attempt to pass. I do definitely just want to check this though, right? So I should really like bring this out somewhere. It's like an is identifier. Well, is identifier character. Is it even correct? Alphanumeric and character underscore, probably. Sure, I'm just getting hung up on silly things. Okay. What's the easiest way to... What's the easiest way to check all the characters of a string in Rust? Like match some function? Is there an all or something? Okay. So Charles, then all. Yeah, okay. So if word Charles all character, and it is going to be repeating this, that's fine for now. Then we just add that to add members. This is kind of nasty. Is it just push? I'm so tired right now. I don't remember what anything's called. Yeah, okay. So something I had to write the ugly thing. Yeah, I should do that. And so that's kind of what I'm doing. I am doing the ugly thing right now. And then, so what I'm actually pushing is... It's so weird to see that, like... Because like, I haven't said what the items of the vec are, but it knows because layer node... layer node's members list node type is a specific... Like, it's got a specific type. Anyway. So yeah, I'm basically pushing these. And so word is a span, so if we do this. And then else, so actually we're gonna get rid of this stuff at the bottom. We're gonna push to diagnostics. What do I want to do? I want to say, so wait, so, okay, so that could be word. That's a span, so I have to do, wait, do I have to do, what do I have to do? How have I done this in other places? How have I done this in other places? Have I not done this in other places? I must have done. I guess I don't write it. I usually just say, yeah, okay. Not a valid object identifier or something like that. Object name. What's wrong with this? Clearly something. Then method name Charles found to, well, yeah, because it's not that, it's I've forgotten everything. Yeah, this is super hacky, but okay. Yeah. Don't need that. Okay. Do we get an error saying... I forgot what I'm doing even. Oh, did I even save my file? So no, I guess I want to save this. Do we get an error saying that that's not valid? No, apparently not. Collision layers. So line 108. Oh, because I'm not actually returning diagnostics here. Yeah, so this is something I did before. I made it so that I have like this success function, but actually that's never what I want to do. Is that it? I think that's it. We can see what this is doing wrong, I think. Oh, it's curious that these are backwards. It is curious that these are backwards. Huh. But anyway, yeah, what it must be doing here is it's seeing the comma as part of it. So why? Oh, because I'm doing passwords, which will include the comma. Of course it will. Which is a problem because, like, you know, if I did wall crate, I don't want that to be seen as a single thing, which right now it will be. Yeah. Okay. It's annoying. Like, you try and define things like password and pass identifier, thinking like, oh, I'll be able to reuse that, but like, because PuzzleScript occasionally is like, nope, in this case, commas mean this. It makes things slightly annoying. I basically want to pass everything except comma or whitespace before passing. I have whitespace around all commas. Oh no. Do I need like a new thing? Because like passing words is often what I do actually want to do. Like I could, of course, just like do this. Well, this. But also say, not comma. I don't want to do that, but that's what I'm going to do. What's happened here? Oh, yeah. Wait, no, okay, that's going back, that's going there. Let's just check it works first. As Marco said, do the ugly thing first and then make it better. Expected pass results. Oh yeah, okay, because that also, yeah, wraps it. Okay. Hey, look, that seems correct. Not a valid object name. Do you like my error messages? I'm pretty proud of my error messages. Like, I didn't have to, like, do anything there. I just said... What did they do? In my diagnostics, they just said diagnostics push the word that I passed. And it's automatically highlighting it. How? However, I'm not really happy with a lot of this code that I've just done. But maybe I should be, and then I should just move on. No, I shouldn't. I guess what would be nice is to have a... Do I not currently have a, like, pass... Like, pass matching? That basically does this with a custom match function. That probably makes sense to have. Okay, let's add it. How does one do? It's like I've done it in other places. This is copied from where I've done it before. Like in parsing a list, item parser. So a bit like that. I mean, I guess I'll have done it very similarly in here. Pattern F, where F is that. Sure. Wait, pass one of. What does that do? Oh no, okay. No, that's something else. Okay. Oh, that's not where that goes. This will return a pass result. Source span. Where F is that. Yep, that's fine. Yep, I'm not returning a pass result, that's correct. I don't know if I care about it taking a source span, do I? I don't think so. So then, so this returns a span. But we're gonna pass. Oh, interesting. Read while, I see. Is that where I was copying from? I was copying from read while. I don't remember why I did that. So both of these don't care about that parameter. Maybe I should just make this not care for now. I could easily do that and call pattern on character and then return pass result success span. Why does it have to be useful? Why does it have to be? Can I not just do... Sure. Yeah, okay, so this is not used, but I could use that here now. I could do, instead of this, self pass matching. Oh, I need to do this. Yes. Spans like, okay, cool. And then basically this entire function just becomes return that. And same for this one. Pass matching. Yep. Then I can use that over here. But do I also want to... extract this as like a kind of is. I guess the problem is that I don't want... no, I do. I just want to pass everything that isn't whitespace and isn't a comment up to a thing. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Let's leave it as it is. So we're going to change this to turn parser.pass matching. That hasn't made that code much simpler, has it? Yeah, the fact that I'm sort of repeating. Yeah, whatever. It's okay for now. Is this a bit ugly? I'm then checking. Like, so this is repeating that. I should just have like helper functions for different kind of characters, but where should I put them? Thanks, Marcos. Enjoy doing your own video. I look forward to seeing what it's about when you upload it. Oh, definitely feel a bit too tired to be programming right now. Okay, for now, let's do some. Okay. I mean, I could add it. No, let's not do that. Is identifier character. Character. And we're gonna do. Where's it gone? Yeah, this. And that is, I guess words are basically non-white space. There's non-white space character. Have I not done this elsewhere already? I swear I have. It's just been a long time since I looked at some of this code. I guess not. So here, pass white space, what does that do? Pass comments, pass non-comment white space. Okay, no, yeah, okay, because that has to be clever about it. Non-white space character. So that would be, what's up here? Because I mean, should I make it a positive thing? The problem is white space means actual is it white space? But this is like, is it puzzle script white space? I.e., is it also I don't really like extracting this out because it's kind of not true. Because any character within a comment is also white space, but this in theory, if you pass that character to it, it's not really true. Because like knowing whether something's white space depends on context. Let's just call it word character. It is word character. So yes. I don't think I should extract these out. No, it actually feels wrong, so I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it as is. Although it would help here. Because it mostly felt wrong for word character. Maybe we can keep is identified character. Yeah. And then use it here. Okay, sure. Ah. So I'm in parser, so I think I could use super is identify is use super tokens is identify character. Yeah. Okay. So if all the characters are identified characters, then we push it into this items. Not a huge fan of this still. Like, what would be nice is if I were kind of reducing over this. But maybe we should just leave that as a new to-do. I just replaced one to-do with another to-do. To-do would be nice if this was a reduce or something on words. Let's just double check this works. Yeah. Okay, and so wall and crate, are they interpreted as separate things? So I'll look up here somewhere. Collision layers, where are they? Collision layers. Player, wall, crate, blah. That's correct. Okay, what if I put like a comment and then an empty comment and then lots of commas and then another comment? That should still be player, wall, crate, blah. Player, wall, crate, blah. Okay, cool. And yeah, that's the only bad bit of that. The rest of it is just gibberish, comments and white space. Okay. Okay, so that actually fixes two things. Well, so one of the things I fixed that actually didn't need fixing because it's actually already fine is that this is not true. But I'll just remove it now. Okay, sure, we'll commit that. Report invalid object names in collision layers. Okay, let's pick another one. Let's pick a nice one. Are there any nice ones? If they were nice, they probably wouldn't have just left them at the time. Colors RS, handle handle errors. What's that one in the prelude? Are we losing diagnostics here? Probably, because I'm saying success. That seems to be what happens. Yeah, almost certainly. I should just get rid of the success function. When I use it, it causes problems. Because it's kind of a lie. Well, either I should remove it or I should like have it take diagnostics. I think that's probably what it should be. But no, it's also wrong. It's also wrong. Maybe I should just remove it. Because the thing is, okay, so the way parse results work is that they contain, well, so parse result contains an AST node and a, that's interesting that, yeah, okay. They contain an AST node and they contain potentially diagnostics if there was some issue passing that node. And these aren't mutually exclusive because I can return an AST node that's like maybe complete, maybe partially complete, but there are also some diagnostics associated with it because like some part of it failed to pass, or some or there's a warning instead of an error, for example. And so I originally, when I was making this, I made a function called success, which always returns basically with no diagnostics. It takes a node and returns with no diagnostics, but like it doesn't truly mean success. I think I should just get rid of it. It really means, I mean, it sort of means success. No diagnostics. What else would that mean? But it could be a partial node. But if it were a partial node, it would have diagnostics. I mean, the fix for this is easy. It's this. So like, I think before, let's test something. So before, had I done... Okay, I think I can test it. So in a prelude option, I think if I put like a closed bracket there by itself, I think that'll get lost and won't get reported. I haven't saved the other file, I don't think. It says that's not valid prelude option, but doesn't report that. Although I don't think it's getting there, actually, I think it's skipping the rest of the line. Because that's not a valid thing, so let's do title. Okay, it's duplicate title, that's fine. I don't think that skips. I think that's just a duplicate. Wait, where's the duplicate? Oh, that happens later. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it doesn't skip. That still passes that line. But it's completely ignoring that because I think I'm not returning the diagnostics at the end of here. Now I am. I saved the file. Where is it? Yay, comment is missing a matching opening bracket. Okay, yeah, they always end up in reverse order. Like, if there's multiple errors on a line, I get them backwards, which is kind of funny. It's to be to do with how I'm sorting them when I print them out. Comment is missing a matching opening bracket. So yeah, okay, that works. Cool. Let's get rid of that though. Don't lose errors when passing through options. I mean, so I could fix that issue, even though it's not a to-do item. Where is that bit where I... Where is that bit where I... Here? Sort unstable by key. Yeah, so right now... I'm still surprised that they end up in that order, but right now, if two things have the same line index, I'm not actually saying what order they should come out. So I guess, what can this return? What can the thing that I passed to this return? Can I return like a, oops. So F returns a K, which is an ORD. An ORD is anything that supports equality checking and partial ordering. Right, okay, so something that's fully ordered. And how is ordering defined for tuples? Okay, so that will actually do exactly what they want. I think I could do this. Now, what did I call the property here? Is it? Sorry, my stomach is rumbling. Is it character index? Oh, it might be. Okay. Print. Oh, I guess I need to add that back in because now I don't have an example of it. So title. Wait, why was I getting 2 errors from that line? Oh, because of duplicate title. And yeah, they're in the right order now. Okay, cool. Sort same line errors by character position. Okay. So sounds, there's lots of stuff in it. Why am I putting off a bunch of these? Sounds RS, that might actually be done already. Sounds RS. Okay, yeah, that's a to-do as well. I'm not sure if I've even written that one down. These need keyword nodes in all cases. What? So I've changed this code recently, so it might not be true anymore, because we do have keyword nodes in all cases. Yeah, okay, so I think this has become a different thing, because I changed it recently. Okay, sounds. Pass one of keywords nullary sound object trigger. And if we get one of those, then we add it. Yeah. But we're assuming here if we don't see one of those, then we have a problem, but that's not true. I can't bother to do that one now. I'm too tired for it. What am I not too tired for? All right, do I have to do here? I do. Yeah, okay, we're not currently passing unary triggers. Yep. What is there still stuff on the line? Where's that? What? Oh, it's there, right there. What if there's still stuff on the line? So if we try and pass an object trigger, let's remind myself what that even means. Okay, that means one of these situations. So it's a sound effect where we've got an object name, and then we're trying to pass the like create, destroy, action, move, can't move. These are the nullary ones, create, destroy, action, and then move and can't move are unary because they take a list of directions. Why is that not showing up? Oh, because it's doing a case sensitive. So if we fail to pass the thing, then we're reporting that. Isn't this the... Oh yeah, this is... So I have a nicer way of doing this now. Ah, but no I don't. So I do have a function for doing pass expected token. Where was that? Pass token. Well, that would work. So I think I could replace... This isn't getting rid of a to-do item, but it is maybe tidying something up. Where's it gone? Sounds. Yeah. So I think here I could do... What would it be? It would be similar to down here. Let some trigger keyword equals self.passExpectedToken. But the thing that we're going to do is actually going to be self pass one of keywords like this. And then the second argument is going to be object trigger. Then that. Get rid of all that. Okay, it doesn't error. Does it work? So do we have any in our file? What do I have in my sound effects bit? So this is all gibberish. Is that a valid line? SFX 12? No? You can't start with the sound effect number, can you? Oh, you can. Oh, of course you can. That's how you define the sound, yeah. So we don't, okay, so we do have an object trigger. It should be blah. Let's find it in the thing. Sound effects, where are they? They're before rules. Here they are. So object trigger name. I should have given this a better name. It's like the object name, blah, create, sound seed 1, 2, 3. Now, if this is gibberish, I think we're actually going to have a problem. I think 1, 2, 3 is going to get treated as another sound effect. Let's see what happens. Oh, well, no, yeah, okay. Blah. So it probably is reporting. Yeah. Oh, okay. So da is not a valid object trigger. Cool. So that's working. Unexpected text after sound definition. It's less that it's unexpected text. I should just like not read the rest of the line after that because we don't know what's going on. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it's quite common for me to... It's going to be the same here, right? Yeah, it's going to be the same. Should I report it? No, I think we just skip. So I've got the same to do like in a bunch of places in here. I clearly just couldn't be bothered to think about it at the time. But let's just double check how I've dealt with this in other places. Yeah, I just do a pass until next line. I think I agree that I should just do the same here. In all of these? Okay, that's not the one I was looking at, so let's not just do that without thinking about it. But that one. And sound seed? Well, if there's stuff after it, then that is like stuff that shouldn't be there. Because the sound seed is always the last thing on the line. So basically, if this is an error, we stop trying to pass the whole thing. If we get to this, and that's an error. Wait, why have I put a plus there? Oh yeah, because it's any number of numbers. I probably should report the rest of this line. Okay, so there's still stuff on the line here. I want to report it. It's like unexpected. Where have I done things like this before? Objects? No. Prelude. Prelude. So basically, I just want this. Okay. But there might not be any. Okay, I'm just going to accept that we don't need error reporting for whatever happens at the end of that line. That's almost certainly going to be true for some of the others that we've got in here as well. What if there's still stuff on the line? Yeah, that's the same. To do... so that's the only one that's left. Oh, it's the same. Yeah, okay. So we're just going to go past it. Well, we just wiped out like 4 to-dos in one go. Okay, so this error is if the sound seed isn't a number. But it is a number. Because that's why I passed. Ooh. Is that right? So we get a number. If it's empty, then we just a none. Following white space, past white space. It's just checking that there is something after it. Okay. Otherwise it's not a number, yeah, okay. Although shouldn't that... Yeah, that's fine. But yeah, we're not even going to end up with anything here if this isn't a number. So technically this can't fail. As far as I know. Am I wrong about that? What was it gonna do? What was it gonna do? I guess I was gonna test. Okay, so if I do like 1 to 3 F, what happens? It's not a valid sound seed, correct. So I don't think that can fail. I mean, just double check, like, if I've got a darts in. Not a valid sound seed. This will only get through if they are only numbers. Yeah, then it's gone. In which case, I think I can just do expect. Is it? Is that what it's called? I'm too tired, clearly. Yeah. Right. Seed. Oh, I suppose one place this could fail. What is... Okay, sound seed node. Sound seed node. I need to get rid of that. Okay. Sound seed node. It is a U size. Okay. Okay, so let's test something. Oh. Really? Am I gonna do this? I'm gonna leave this for now. Let's leave this one in. This is okay. It's an unrelated error to the others, so that's unrelated to do. Properly handle remaining line contents after steps. I think I'm going to leave it there. I'm tired, so I'll continue tomorrow a bit, I think. Hey, the list is a tiny bit shorter, I guess. There's a bunch that I'm sort of putting off because they're in the semantic analysis bit, which I'm not even really looking at the moment. I'm only focusing on the parser. So I guess my goal is to get all the parser ones gone. All right, continue tomorrow. All right, folks. Goodbye.